Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Ionization energy tables identify mystery elements quickly. We will analyze energy jumps to find the empirical formula for this specific phosphide. Look closely at the ionization energy data provided in the table. Notice the massive jump between the second and third values, which tells us exactly where the inner shell begins. Since the third ionization energy is significantly higher, element M must have 2 valence electrons. This means our mystery element M forms a stable cation with a positive 2 charge. Phosphorus typically forms a negative 3 charge. To balance charges, we need 3 M ions for every 2 phosphorus atoms, making the answer option B. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing when reading tables. Trust the given data and check your steps carefully.